If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video and also click on the bell icon beside it to get notifications about my further uploads.
I am Aditi and this is my channel Sparkle Baby, and today I am going to review the new launches by Lakme, which is Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon. How they look: they retail for 185 rupees and offer 2.2 gram of product. They come in total of 12 shades. I have 3 shades. The first one is 02 Red Stop, the second one is 05 Peach Magnet, and the third one is 07 Shocking Pink. The name itself is self-explanatory. Lakme, I think, is going high on crayons. Like first they launched their lip pouts and now these. However, these are not the retractable crayons, but you need to sharpen them. And the good thing is that it comes with free sharpener with each crayon. Though I got an insider news from the shopkeeper that these sharpeners are free for a limited period, like it's an introductory offer. But still, the sharpeners are of good quality and provides precision while lining. This is how the outer packaging of the sharpener looks. I have 3 crayons and 3 sharpeners. So this is how it looks. It says that it is a dual sharpener, and I will show you the sharpener. This is how the sharpener looks. It has Lakme written over here, and it has 2 holes, like one is the smaller hole and one is the bigger hole. The bigger hole is the actual sharpener to sharpen these crayons, and it also comes with a spatula type of thing to remove excess lipstick from the sharpener. These lipsticks glide on the lips very smoothly. It is a bit low on pigmentation, like you will have to swipe it 2 to 3 times to get an opaque coverage. The relation of these lipsticks are a bit drying, so you need to apply a really good lip balm underneath if you have really dry or chapped lips. The lasting of these lipsticks are decent. It lasts for about 3 to 4 hours on my lips, after which it fades from the center of the lips to outwards and leaves a lip line behind. So if you are having an oily meal, then it will not survive it, but a light snack can do. The affordability of these lipsticks makes it a really good option for daily use as well as college going girls. The packaging of these lipsticks are color coded, so you know which color you are going to wear, especially when you are in a hurry. And also it is convenient because there are some shopkeepers who just don't let us swatch, so it is a good thing. To be honest with you guys, the packaging of these lipsticks feel a bit plasticky and cheap. Like it's just something which I didn't expect from Lakme, because their packaging are really nice. Like look at the 9 to 5 range or the absolute range, the packaging is perfect. And it was just that I didn't expect, but it's okay because it's just for 185 rupees and you cannot expect a lot from that price. So starting out with swatches, I will first swatch it on my hands and then on my lips. So I will first swatch 05 Peach Magnet, and this is how it looks. Then I will swatch 07 Shocking Pink, and the last one is 02 Red Spot. And yes, so this is the 3 shades on my hands, and now I will be doing the lip swatches. So the first shade I will be swatching on my lips is Peach Magnet.
It's a corally peach color and has golden glitter in it. All the other shades are matte, only this one has reflex. It is a good color for summers and would suit fairer skin beauties well.
And this is how Peach Magnet looks on. Next, I will be swatching 02 Red Stop.
Stop is a warm-toned red color and would suit every skin colors because no one can just ever go wrong with reds.
And this is how Red Stop looks on me. Next, I will be swatching 07 Shocking Pink.
Pink is a beautiful bright pink shade which I see working across all skin tones.
And this is how Shocking Pink looks on me.
So now let's just get started with final pros and cons. Is that it has a nice shade range, like it has 12 colors and all are really beautiful. The second pro is it is affordable, at least in my opinion. Third one is that it has a color coded packaging which makes it convenient and hassle free. Pro is that it has a decent staying power, like it stays for about 3 to 4 hours without eating or with light snacks. Pro is that it comes with free quality sharpeners with every crayon, which makes it a good thing, though it is a limited period offer, but still it's good. Sixth pro is that it has a great finish, like it's demi matte. Now starting off with the cons, the first thing is that it has a drying formulation, especially if you have very chapped lips, then you need to apply a very good lip balm underneath. The second thing is the packaging is a bit cheap and plasticky, which I don't like. And the third thing is it is low on pigmentation. You will have to swipe it 2 to 3 times to get an opaque coverage. The fourth con is that it fades from the center of the lips and then leaves a lip line behind, which I personally don't like at all. And the fifth thing is that sharpening these crayons can be a mess.
So that was it for my today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also last week I was unable to upload any videos, but I was active on YouTube. I was seeing all your comments, and I must say I have got the most supportive subscribers ever, and I love you all so much. Yeah, so now wrapping up the things. Bye.